Bunnies. Sneezing his head off. Bless you, buddy. Gesundheit.
Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile. You're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no. Take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile. You're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.
Dun 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 dun. KittiesMama. Johnny found this cute kitty outside. He really does. Cause like it's a pink. And he meowed a lot. We fed the kitty, and we gave him milk, and we played with him, and we hugged him. He was very nice to our cats. He's like Zanith. Want more food? It's bugs. We put him in the mailbox, and he tried to climb out the other way. Check the mail, Mommy. It's the middle of the night.
Do you have any mail? We have a kitty in our mailbox.
He chased frogs and bugs on the way back to his house. That's going to be on a vlog? Mm-hmm. This cat is one of his siblings.
Hi, kitty.
Yeah, kitty. Come on, kitty, we won't hurt you. Here he is, walking with his mommy. Milo has about, like 5 or 6 people in his family. His whole family followed us home. They ate our food. Here's another brother.
Oh, black kitty, run away.
We went to this really cool zoo. The giraffes were so cute, and they're my favorite animal. There was a rhino that was sharpening his horn. That was the first time I ever pet a kangaroo. The other zoos, they don't let you pet anything. They don't even let you pet the horses.
What do you think, Emma?
It's so adorable. I'll get closer to take a picture of it.
This one's drinking mommy's milk. The head is inside the pouch.
Feeding the goats. There was lots of baby goats and they were so cute, but the fluffiest one didn't come up to us.
Yeah.
I thought the one on the rock is the fluffiest one, I can tell.
Yeah.
I want to go see the rooster now.
They're coming to see you guys.
And the chickens were going, ruff, 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 ruff. I like the chickens. You rock, chickens. I wonder how the chickens. Okay, now I'm just going to watch the puppies.
Bunnies.
The one from
Nope.
You got
You pet them now.
the bunny one. This Fluffy's really, that guy's real fluffy. The bunnies were so cute. The bunnies were cute. One sneezed a lot. Like. My favorite animal was the bunnies because they're so fluffy.
Oh, they're so soft.
This one's really soft.
Yeah? Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he's so soft, isn't he?
Oh man, he feels like fluff.
We fed the bunnies lettuce.
By the goats right here. The one on the left. There's two.
Yeah, try to get it to go up again.
Oh my gosh.
These bunnies were sharing a piece of lettuce. Look at it. Look at it. Look, they're sharing a piece.
It's like Lady and the Tramp where they share.
Yeah, I think this one's the girl, that one's the boy. I think this one's the boy, this is brown. No, I think the black one looks like the boy. Which one looks like that guy's? No. That one looks like it has eyelashes on it. I decided to feed the turtles. Turtles are smart, and so are lemurs. Fluffy.
And his beard blowing the wind. I envy your beard, Mr. Goat.
Lemurs jumped on me and one kissed me.
They like you.
Oh, sorry. That's pretty cool.
I like that the lemurs jumped all over you.
They can really climb.
Say, Mr. Brother, I'm from to him.
He likes me. Hey, ow, he's holding onto my hair. The lemurs weren't behaving so well. They weren't supposed to be jumping onto you. But that was the best part. One tried to take my coin.
I have one.
Emma would have to give you hers.
Okay, take my coin.
Pull out your hand for me. Stick that right out of your hands.
They looked like they were fun, but I just didn't want them jumping on me. Stood behind mommy because I didn't want them climbing on me. Oh, he jumped on me. Remember first I walked in here, then the two of them jumped on me.
They got good little springs, don't they?
Yeah.
Here come some bigger ones. These guys.
What's the rule that you can't touch them?
I don't know.
No, you can. I saw a dude putting one of them on his finger.
Yeah?
It's a red panda, and he looked like a Pokemon, and the Pokemon's name was Furret, that it looks like. It's like a pool.
Yeah. It'd be fun to swim with some penguins.
Some white tigers, which were two sisters, the ones that were playing and fighting each other, were two sisters playing. I saw baby leopards, which are so adorable. And I saw another one with pointy ears. I really love that zoo, and I want to go back and buy something at the gift shop. A trophy thing! Thank you for watching this week's vlog. Subscribe, rate, comment, and follow us on Twitter. Bye! Doobie.